Work out the value of x, give your answer to 1 decimal place. Now I'm going to use the cosine rule for this question. I know to use the cosine rule as opposed to the sine rule because I know 3 sides of the triangle and I'm trying to find 1 missing angle. I can only use the sine rule if I know a side and an angle that are opposite each other. Since I don't know any of the angles, I definitely don't know a side and angle opposite each other. Now the cosine rule states that a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared subtract 2bc cos of a. Now a and capital A need to be the side and angle opposite each other. So lowercase a is going to be my 24 centimetre side and capital A is going to be this angle x that I'm trying to figure out. And then lowercase b and lowercase c can be either of the other 2 sides. Now I'm going to substitute everything that I know into this equation. So I've got a squared, which is 24 squared, is equal to b squared, which is 21 squared, plus c squared, which is 13 squared, subtract 2 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 13 times by cos of x. Now I'm going to work out all the different parts of this that I can. So on the left hand side we have 24 squared. So in my calculator I'm going to type 24 squared, which gives us 576. Then I'm going to put in 21 squared, which gives us 441. I know 13 squared is 169, and then in my calculator I'm going to type in negative 2 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 13, and that gives us negative 546 times by cos x. I'm going to use my calculator again to do the 441 plus the 169. So I've got 441 add 169, which gives us 610. So I've now got 576 is equal to 610, subtract 546 cos of x. I'm now going to subtract 610 from both sides of this equation because I'm trying to get x on its own, so I don't want that 610. So I've got 576, subtract 610, that gives us negative 34. So we now have negative 34 is equal to negative 546 times by cos x. I need to get rid of this negative 546 from the right hand side. The opposite of multiplying cos x by negative 546 is to divide by negative 546. So I'm going to divide negative 34 by negative 546. That gives us 17 over 273 equals cos of x. And the final thing that I need to do to get x on its own is I need to do inverse cos of both sides, cos to the negative 1 of both sides. Now my calculator has remembered this 17 over 273, so I'm going to type shift and cos to get my cos to the negative 1. Oh, I don't think I pressed shift there. So shift to the negative 1 of cos. Then I'm going to press the A and S button as it's remembered that last answer. Then we're going to press execute and we end up with x being 86.4 degrees to 1 decimal place.